Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Educatious. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of waves of the brain and how they can affect our daily lives. But before we get started, we want to give a special shout out to our subscriber who requested this video. If you have any topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. So, let's get started and explore the fascinating world of waves of brain. First, let's understand what brain waves are. Our brain is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons, which communicate with each other through electrical impulses. These electrical impulses create waves, which we call brain waves. The brain waves can be measured by an EEG, electroencephalogram, machine, which detects and records the electrical activity of the brain. There are different types of brain waves, each with its own frequency and purpose. The four main types of brain waves are beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Beta waves have a frequency of 13 to 30 Hz and are associated with normal waking consciousness and active thinking. These waves are present when we are alert, focused, and engaged in problem solving. Alpha waves have a frequency of 8 to 13 Hz and are associated with a relaxed and calm state of mind. These waves are present when we are in a state of deep relaxation, such as through meditation or yoga. Theta waves have a frequency of 4 to 8 Hz and are associated with deep relaxation, sleep, and dream states. These waves are present when we are in a state of deep meditation or when we are in a deep sleep. Delta waves have a frequency of 0.5 to 4 Hz and are associated with the deepest level of sleep and unconsciousness. These waves are present when we are in a state of deep sleep or under anesthesia. Now, let's focus on the alpha state of mind, as it's the one that can have the most impact on our daily lives. Have you ever experienced thinking about a friend or loved one and then at the same time suddenly they call or message you? This is because your mind is in the alpha state of mind, and the rays of this frequency have so much power that they can reach thousands of miles in a flash and even penetrate into someone's mind or thoughts. Meditators also take their minds into the alpha state of mind in order to enter the meditative world. This frequency exposes us to another world. Things that cannot be seen with the naked eye can be seen in this state of mind. Inspiration, the sixth sense, and discovery also manifest in this frequency. Intuition, insight, compassionate support, and spiritual healing or energy healing also occur in this frequency. The wonders of the spiritual world can also be seen in this state of mind. Living in an alpha state of mind can have many benefits, such as reducing stress and depression, decreasing headaches, and making it easier to find solutions to problems. It can also increase our confidence, give us insight into people's intentions, and sharpen our sixth sense. So, how do we achieve an alpha state of mind? It's actually quite simple. Just like when daydreaming, you don't have to put in any effort to move into this frequency. To achieve this state of mind, you can let your body and mind loose, relax your muscles, and relax your mind. When your mind feels cool and calm and is empty of various thoughts, that's the alpha state of mind. It's important to remind yourself to maintain this state of mind by not speaking loudly, not getting angry, not expressing emotion strongly, and not being tense. With some practice and hard work, you can maintain this state of mind for a few days, which can solve issues such as anger, tension, restlessness, and insomnia. Your life will begin to take a higher place. We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new about brain waves and the alpha state of mind. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, as we work much hard just to provide you best, latest, and easy to understand videos. Also, check out our social handles for more informative content. Thanks for watching!